Hi there, and welcome to the ISNI poster presentation for the SSP 47th Annual Meeting. I'm Elena Marie Chapman, Communications Manager at the ISNI International Agency. Today, I'm excited to share how ISNI is helping to reimagine name identifiers for the scholarly publishing sector and how it's supporting the critical values of open science and research integrity. So let's dive in. ISNI, the International Standard Name Identifier, is the ISO-certified global standard for identifying contributors to creative and scholarly works, including researchers, institutions, publishers, editors, and more. You may sometimes hear us say ISNI, but however you pronounce it, ISNI plays an essential role behind the scenes. There are now over 16 million ISNIs assigned worldwide, including over 3.4 million for individual researchers and over 2 million for organisations, and that number keeps growing as open research practices expand globally. At its core, ISNI provides persistent, reliable identification across diverse platforms. It reduces confusion in author identification, ensuring that researchers, their outputs, and their affiliations can be clearly and accurately linked across the research lifecycle, from submission to citation and beyond. Seeking to resolve name ambiguity in search and discovery, ISNI helps to ensure that published works are accurately attributed to their creators wherever they are described. By improving metadata quality, ISNI enhances discoverability, citation tracking, and research assessment. It also supports global collaboration, enabling enriched metadata to move more easily across borders, languages, and systems to expand market reach. Importantly, ISNI is an ISO standard, ISO 27729 to be precise, and is governed through rigorous processes that ensure long-term stability and trust. It's adopted across sectors and is not tied to any one discipline, geography, or commercial interest. ISNI is also designed for interoperability. It seamlessly connects with key parts of the scholarly ecosystem, including DOI registries like Crossref and DataCite, Ringgold, RAW, Scopus, ORCID, and more. It is also a sibling of other well-known ISO standards like ISBN for books, ISSN for periodicals, and ISRC for musical recordings. But instead of focusing on one domain, ISNI stretches potentially across all the creative sectors, from libraries and book publishing to music and entertainment, research, and rights management. ISNI is explicitly designed to act as a bridge or linking ID. It connects existing industry standards and identification schemes, consolidating them in one curated database, enabling crosswalks and correlation between the different schemas, thereby helping to make research more discoverable. ISNI can be assigned not only to researchers and authors, but also to research institutions, publishers, funding bodies, editorial boards, and reviewers. This makes ISNI a flexible and scalable solution for persistent identity management, supporting workflows for grants, copyright management, and sharing data across different fields. ISNI improves operational efficiency by reducing the administrative burden of name management. Researchers do not need to self-register for an ISNI. Assignments can happen independently through trusted registration agencies. And ISNIs can even be assigned posthumously, enabling persistent links to historical research and creative works over time. Looking to the future, ISNI is a cornerstone for research integrity in an age increasingly shaped by AI, big data, and global networks. It provides a foundation for emerging technologies like AI-driven discovery tools, verified digital identities through blockchain, and scalable linked data applications that help connect information more meaningfully. In short, ISNI supports transparency, accountability, and interoperability across scholarly communications, all of which are central to the principles of open science. If you'd like to join the millions of individuals, organisations, and groups already using ISNI, you can learn more via our website, isni.org, or scan the QR code on screen now. Our database is open to the public and available via our website. You can also reach us directly at info@isni.org if you have any questions about implementing or integrating ISNI into your workflows, becoming an ISNI member organisation, or working with us as an ISNI registration agency. Join our mailing list or follow us on social media to stay informed. So thank you for your time and for your interest in persistent identifiers. Together, through global adoption, we can build a more open, trustworthy and connected future for research and creative works. We look forward to speaking to many of you during the event. Until then, take care.